How can we turn our pictures into black and white mode using Affinity Photo? After you drag in your image and it's loaded as the new project, the fastest way is to head to Adjustments. You should have Adjustment panel here next to your layers on the right side. If it's not here, check Window here at the top and be sure Adjustments are turned on. Now they're off. Window, Adjustments on. Alright, search for adjustment call, as you may guess, black and white. And they will give you some presets. You can head with default first. This will give us all of those sliders we need to adjust how our different shades on the image are translated into shades of gray. So you may want to play with that a bit. Don't overdo it. We don't want to burn elements, make them completely white, and we don't want to make them completely black as well. But we still want to have some kind of separations between different shades of gray. All right. If you are not happy with the overall exposure with that contrast, you can always go to brightness and contrast adjustment just below, and you can increase the contrast or increase the darkness. It's all up to you. Let's increase the contrast a bit. Okay, and from here you can have a bit of extra control using this additional adjustment. And if you go back to the layer panel, you will see that we got the main image still here, and there are two adjustments present. One is for brightness and contrast, one is for turning this black and white. All of that is non-destructive and can be switched off. If your target is to get this full black and white picture, now you can just save it as the brand new image. So click File, Export, and save it as a new image on your hard drive. Keep in mind, we can play with those different adjustments. So maybe you want to have some elements that are still saturated in your image. In that case, we can use HSL adjustment instead, and for this we can select a certain color from the image. We got those different main colors here, like for example select the red colors from the image, and I can desaturate red colors, and now all of my red colors are turned into gray colors. The same with yellows, greens, and I end up having only some different shades of blue, plus everything else is desaturated to be gray. Alright, so you can do all of that with different adjustments. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.